So what does God the Father want God the Son to do? He says in verse 39, that I should lose nothing of all that he has given me, but raise it up on the last day. This is encouragement. This is encouragement. Jesus will never lose anyone the Father gives him. He keeps them here on earth, and he carries them safely into eternity. If you are a child of Jesus Christ, he will keep you. He will hold you here on earth until you breathe your last breath or until Jesus comes. And he will hold you securely for all of eternity. To paraphrase one of my favorite authors, Dallas Willard, he says this: the child of God is perfectly safe in this world with Jesus Christ. It's a lot to grab onto. It's a lot to chew on. It's a lot to spend time with. But this is what Jesus is saying. The child of God is perfectly safe because you are in the hands of Jesus Christ. Now listen, things happen to us that we do not like. Things happen to us that are difficult and complicated and even full of pain. But none of them will separate us from Jesus Christ. You will always be held firmly in the palm of his hand.